If you're having trouble with your Camry Hybrid 2019 navigation and multimedia system, there was a problem that I had where the screen was blinking and it was getting dark when it was supposed to be bright, and when you went into a tunnel it would get dark and it kept flickering. So I found out a way to fix it. So what you do is, if your screen here is flickering or malfunctioning, try this first before you take it in to have it fixed. What you do is you push this button. This is the volume and the power button. You turn it on. It will turn the whole thing off, and it basically resets the computer inside of it. And this immediately fixed the problem that I was having. So try that first. Thanks for watching.